we're trying to figure out which one of those has the greatest value. And, well, B you could do pretty easily because we know what the square root of 4 is. But square root of 3, I think, is 1.7 or 5 or something. And square root of 5 is 2 point something. You want to stay away from that. So let me show you a trick. What you want to do is square each one of them. So you want to square the 10, and that gives you a 100. And you want to square the 3, square root of 3. Square root 3 times square root 3 is just 3. So that gives you 300. Now you can go through this quicker than what I'm doing for this video. Just remember, when you multiply the same two square roots together, you get what's underneath the radical. So we're going to square this one, and that's going to be an 81 and a 4. And that's going to be a 4 times 1, and 4 times 8 is 32. And then you're going to square this one, and that's going to be a 64 times a 5. And that's going to be a 5 times 4 is 20, and that's going to be a 32. And this is going to be a 49 and a 6. And 6 times 9 is 54. Carry a 5, that's going to be 294. Square this one, and that's going to be a 36 and a 7. And 7 times 6 is 42. Carry a 4, it's going to be a 252. So your greatest one's that. And that took me less than a minute and a half.